Hi guys, so today we will discuss about the corrugated industry or box manufacturing industry here. So this is our very big massive project. Here we will discuss all this is all before this project explanation. I want to if anybody have interested to install the corrugated industry, so they need to analyze the market, what is the market consumption. So they need to work on the market consumption, that they need to find out and choose the machine, the right machine for the right market. Sometimes the consumption is very high and you are buying the low speed machine, or sometimes the consumption is very low and you are buying high speed machine. So this is the major things that people are not consider the market consumption. So you need to analyze the market very well, and then you choose the right machine for the as per the competitor, and what is the competitor machine, competitor have machine, what type of what model and what is the technology. So it's depend on your budget, and the market analysis is very important. I'm not talking about only the budget and the other things, but only this is very important thing. So here we have this land, all this area is for we have storage. This is only for the running product. This is running product for the storage, is not our main warehouse. Main warehouse is next to this factory. This is our production floor. So production floor, we need some paper for the daily job, for the daily use, and some another stock. Okay, so first of all, this area where we calculated as per the market demand and as per our machine speed, weep area, all of this conversion we already calculated, and it's maybe we'll talk this calculation in next video. Okay, so this is the real store area, 6,910 square meter is the area. So the real size is maximum 1 meter or 1 meter 20 mm, 30 mm, 40 mm, as is going to 1.5, is not going more than 1.5. So, and also the decal size is the machine width. Okay, it's called from here to here, and what type of what wide of the paper roll. It's called decal size. Okay, so this is the paper where we make the gap. The gap is not only for the clump truck movement, but is very important for the fire incident. In case there is something happen here, so you should make a gap to bring a fire truck to, and also you try to install the in with the trusses, in the trusses, the top trusses, the fire blanket here and here to make partition like fire. So the top flame will not travel to this to this pattern. Maybe it's not going to this, so you will save your money, because this paper is very expensive. Is not very is very expensive, and it's very expensive property. Okay, so here this is the paper stock. So the paper is coming to this machine. Here is we have the automatic loaded. The clump truck is just to put paper here as per the job ticket. So the customer requirement, different size, different shade, different length, and combination. Okay, so the paper is coming here. It's come to this turntable, and it's come to one, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, so this is our single phaser, and this is single phaser 2, single phaser 1, single phaser 2, and our glue unit. Okay, so here is the splicer, preheater, preconditioner, and splicers, preheater, preconditioner here for the single phaser. So here is the single phaser and double phaser. Again is the corrugated share cutter, and duplex NC slitter scorer A and B, car A and car B, and then NC cutter, duplex NC cutter, and here is coming down stacker and up stacker. Okay, so corrugated plant we will discuss in another video with the details that which unit have what is the purpose of each unit. Maybe you have a lot of videos on YouTube. Here I'm also trying to understand you, but my major thing is to explain you how to make a smooth flow to minimize the waste of time and waste of material. So this is our corrugation plant. Here is our facility. This is our compressor room. So the compressor line with the fully automatic with the dryer, water separator and storage tank is here, and the pipe is travel all around the plant, all around. So we make a ring. You try to make a ring. Do not make one line here and one line for this. So is making big problem. So you can put everywhere the buffer tanks, storage tank all around the conversion area, or you will put the storage tank. It's look like bad and it's making a lot of problem because you need to drain the tank. So that is a problem. Is try to make a complete one ring, so you will get the same pressure everywhere in the conversion area and the corrugated area. In anywhere you need, you will get it. Okay, so the second thing is second unit is our starch kitchen. So this is our starch kitchen. Here we make a different formula, and in the next is our storage. So here we store storage starch, borax and caustic here. So this is the tank, and I will make another video for the distribution, the automatic glue distribution. So the glue is coming here to 1, 2 and 3 machine. So it's coming here. When the here is another one day tank for the daily use. So when this level is going down, the automatic sensor is send message to this pump to give me more glue. So this one is sending message to this, and this one is sending message to alarm. So the operator is making more glue for this storage tank. And we are making different two type of formula also. So this single phaser is running with one formula, one viscosity, gel point is separate, and separate gel point and viscosity is here. Is depend on your paper quality, is depend on your job, and is another topic. So next is our boiler room. So boiler room is also, you need to choose a very good boiler, fuel efficiency boiler. You choose economizer. You try to get low condensate and high condensate recovery system. You try to if you are running generator, if your power is the setup is running by generator, so you try to buy HRSB system to get the generator exhaust the heat and run the HRBS to help with the boiler. So these 3, 4, 5 things is help to your boiler and minimize the burner time. So if you have the fuel burner, diesel burner or gas burner, so you will minimize the running time, and you will save the gas, power and water. So here you will get, if you don't have the condensate recovery system, so this hot water will going to waste. So when the steam is coming to the machine, so the temperature is coming down, is converting water, and the water is going in the drain. So this is our big loss. So you try to collect the same temperature water. The water temperature is will go to 110 to 100 degrees Celsius. So once you collect this hot water, you feed to boiler. The boiler will make the force to use small fuel, small power to convert in the boil it and convert in the steam. So the saturated steam boiler is working like a cycle. So the steam is coming, going. So you will get a big saving in the end of the year. So the next is coming our ETP plant, or you said that water treatment plant is here. So once you collect the machine washing water, so you sometime the community, some area, the community does not allow you to drain the starch water. So that's, you need to treat the water. So you collect, even this ink water is very dangerous and very it's colorful. So you need to treat it, and after treatment you need to release in the society drain, otherwise it's making big issue. So the next is our store, engineering store. So here you will collect all the parts and the spare parts and the consumable parts easily to use for the corrugation and for the conversion area. Next is our welding room. So welding room is separate. We do not allow any welding door or anything to this or production area. It should be completely separate. So the next is our store. Here is the sitting area, room, changing room. So the people is coming to change in, this is the restroom. Okay. So here is the maintenance workshop. Maintenance team is sitting here, and they're using their all the equipment, and their team is sitting here 24 hour here. So easily can the operator report to come for to fix the machine. Okay. So the up stacker and down stacker, we have two transfer car on this line. It's called, we call this we say car A. Okay, car B and car C. Okay, so these three car is, here we have two car, one car A1, car A2. So car A1, car A2 is using for this machine to feed to the whip area. The whip area we are calculated as per the machine speed. If you are not calculate this area as per the machine speed, as per the market consumption, as per this speed, the printing machine, so it should be wrong, and you will be, the machine speed will affect, or this machine speed will affect. So you need to find the proper planner to collect all the data and make a complete project plan. Okay, so this whip area is 3078 cubic meter, square meter, square meter. So this area we are using for all this is the conveyor, automatic conveyor is making, so each conveyor is sync with the machine and with the transfer car. So the transfer car is collect board, and they feed to this conveyor automatically for each machine job. For example, here is the Nestle job. So Nestle job is, and we are planning for this machine. So the planner will make this job for Bobst A20 or Mitsubishi or Dongfeng, any machine, TCY machine is here. So once the feed is here, so the job will be automatically, the intelligent car will be feed this job to this area, not to this area to come here. So this intelligent car, it's work automatically when you feed the job ticket. Second thing is this car B. Car B also we have two car. If one car, mostly we are using only one car, but one car we are here we put for the backup. If there is any problem is coming in this one, so we have space this edge and this edge to park in one side to use another car. Okay, so when this transfer car B is bring the material is coming to this whip area, and it's come to infeed. This is infeed conveyor, all this infeed conveyor to the conversion area. This is the boundary line of corrugated and conversion area. So conversion area is depend on the machine speed, machine color. it's meant that how many color print you have. For example, this 820, we have Bob's 823 machine in one line, auto feeder with 6 color 4 color machine here. And one is the very important things is in the center line. You see the center line for all the conversion area. This is X line is the center of the machine, is the face with the slaughter unit. Each slaughter unit is your X line. Y line is for the another side. Like for example, I will say like this. Okay, so this is my X line and this is my Y line. For the each machine is my Y line. Okay, so now we are discussing about the conversion machine. So the product is coming here to feed, and this machine is working to print, to cut, slot, fold, and glue, to glue it. So after gluing, the package is coming out here and it's come travel to this line, to this one, and here is the Mosca and Volco system. The Volco system is working if there is any glue missing or bundle check. The Volco is, we have in this 3 bundle check, glue check and gap check. We have these 3 type of function controlled by Volco. So in case there is this, the line is full, so you can get another material to this line. So the line is coming return to this. Here is the robotic line. The robot is making stack, and the door, the square corner is making proper palletize without wooden pallet is come to wait here. So once the material is coming to these points, the transfer car, this is jumbo transfer car, this size is more than this cars. Car A, car B, the car C size is bigger than the car A, car B, then car A and car B. Okay, so now this car have one another function. You try to choose the top pusher car, this one, because once this this one is coming here, so this stack is loose stack. There is no strapping to stack the complete pallet. Okay, so the stacking is sometime is making problem. So you try to choose the top pusher. I will share the picture also. If someone needs the pusher car picture, I will share. So this will take 3 stack or 2 stack. For example, 1, 2, 3 is waiting here. So the car is bring 1, 2, 3, collect to this 3 stack at once and bring it to this line. Okay. So we add one another return line. Return line is very important. Sometime the job is the customer required stitching. So the stitching job is coming, the car will bring, for example, after printing folding is coming to this, and the stitching job will going again back to this, and the another car will take it and feed to this folding machine. So the folding and stitching, and again is the strapping machine, it's come to the robot, and it's come again to this point. So after this point, the car is collect and bring it to the line. Okay, so this is our another, and this green is our future plan, not 2026, maybe 2028. We are planning to about this machine to add as per the again as per the market consumption. So we will add this machine. Okay, so the finished product will come here from all the machine. This is also, one is the Dongfeng, one is the TCY machine. So it's coming here, and the same practice like the folding and this printing is coming to these points, all these points, and these finished goods car will collect all the material, the product, and bring to this line. This line, when it's come to this line, the finished good is without wooden pallet. So this is our wooden, this is the wood, the palletizer, you say, you call to a dispenser. So the pallet dispenser is lift this finished good to put inside the wooden pallet. It's come to this way. So the product is coming with wooden pallet to these 2-3 lines. It's coming to 1-2-3. So when the product is reached to this place, here we have the jumbo strapping machine. So jumbo strapping machine is strapped from the 4 side or 2 side as per the customer requirement. So it's coming to here. This is the machine where we shrink the plastic shrinking, and it's come out to this area. This is complete finished goods area. Finished goods area also you need to calculate as per the paper stock, WIP area, and the finished goods. So these three is very important to check the market consumption and the machine speed and the manpower. All the things you need to analyze very well, then you choose the proper machine. So in the next video I will explain you how to make this MEP and this compressor room and the boiler piping line, pipe networking and cable lines. So sometimes the people is collect all the power cable and the communication cable or the data cable in one cable tray or in one line. It's making problem in different type of error in coming in PLC or programming or another production management system. So it's better things to separate, to make partition between the communication cable, control cables and the power cable. The power cable should be separate. Minimum is 250 mm and the maximum is 500 mm to make separation. So I will explain you how to collect the steam return line and how to distribute the glue, the glue distribution line to save you an energy and minimum manpower to use. So here is our control room. Most of people are using this VIP area as a mezzanine floor. So mezzanine floor, like here is the mezzanine floor. So you can use this area for the polymer dye workshop and polymer and offices. Like for example, if you have here is the operation office. So operation office can easily see in this area how to control the people and how to see the machine speed. Almost the people are installing camera, but if you want to see the machine, so you can easily watch your machine and the speed from here. So I think this is the best option for the operation room. So this area you can use for polymer and this area you can use for ink storage or any other consumable parts like strapping wire or ink or any other things you can stock here on mezzanine floor. And this area you can only for the paper, and here is possible to double stack the finished good. Otherwise our warehouse, big warehouse for the finished good is next to this building, and we are going to dispatch our material to this place. Okay, so in the meantime I tell you that in the center of the conversion machine we are using this this area for the waste, paper waste. Paper waste control is very important things to control the paper waste. So this is our trench. I will show you in another video how to make this trench, how to control the. So all this waste, the slaughter waste and the fish tail steak, the die cut waste is coming to this trench. And do not use the blower system, use the conveyor, the slotting conveyor. Like one of the companies called Algar and another companies are using this trench to collect all under the trench deep should be 1 meter, 1 meter to 800 to 1 meter. So you can collect all this material to this and bring it to the baling room. Once you bring it here, so here you have the baling machine, conveyors, sheet shredder, cone shredder. You have different type of this. So the truck will coming here, load it on truck, the truck will carry out. So this is our complete project. So I will explain you okay, so our ink kitchen is here. So you can make it here also, anyhow you can make it the ink storage or ink kitchen here. So but the line is one is the important thing that I will explain you next to this video, or another I will make another video to explain you how to collect the wastewater, because this is a very big problem I have seen in lot of companies, that they have a very big problem with the waste water waste, because this area is ink kitchen, ink pit. Every machine have ink pit here. So the ink pit is here. So we collect all the waste to the, you see this line is our pipeline. So the pipe is coming with the line is coming with gravity. We are not using any pump, because every time we need to consider our power and other things, okay, to minimum manpower, minimum power supply. Okay, so we collect this single phase washing water, 1, and washing water 2, double phaser, and all this day tank is here. So all this water line is coming to collect in this manhole. Also we collect one pipeline, we bring one pipeline from the ink kitchen for the washing and other things is coming here, and one line is coming from the from this boiler house, boiler drainage, and this glue kitchen also. The glue kitchen line is also coming here. You see this line is coming direct to this manhole. So this is the manhole, and underground is the master tank. Agitator is installed, so it's come to this treatment line. So water treatment line is separate the glue and ink and the crystal water. This water is not suitable to use in the boiler, or you can use in the glue kitchen. Is only used for agriculture and for flush water. Do not use it for drink, do not use it for glue, and do not use for the boiler. You should try to install the effluent plant as per the water quality. What is the water quality in which place? The sea level, water quality, and if possible you install the RO plant, auto dosing, to save your boiler. The boiler is not a machine. I think the boiler is a bomb that we are installing in factory. So it's very, do not take it light. The boiler is very dangerous, and the boiler is very sensitive. To find the proper operator to give us proper test, every week we need to get, every week we need to collect the water sample and check the hardness and the pH, all of these things. So this is our project that we discussed. So for the more detail, I will upload another video, and I will share this type of informative video to all of my family, because the corrugated industry is very small. So I am belong from this family. I am attached with I think it's almost 17 years I'm working with the same industry. Thank you very much.